Hey guys, it's Nate
and Randy
from Kraken RC, and we're here with our video tutorials series. This is episode number 1 of our put together of the KV5 trophy truck. So here we've got our tools laid out. We've got the hex wrenches here. The sizes go 1.5 to 2.0, 2.5, and finally 3.0 millimeters. We also have our screwdriver for quick and dirty work. And then we have our oils that were shipped with the car. We're gonna keep these handy for later, along with this to apply all of the oil.
All right guys, next up we got your recommended clean and prime and your Loctites. Clean and prime is gonna be sprayed on the screw and on the threads of the part before the thread locker goes on. You got the blue thread locker, which is used for areas that would require easier removal. You got your red Loctite, areas that require a stronger bond, and you got green retaining compound for bearings. All right guys, we got a quick demonstration on what we recommend as far as primer and Loctite procedure. First, I like to take a T-wrench, put the screw on there so that you don't spray primer all over your hand. Coat it evenly on both screw and on the drive cup itself. Allow it to air dry, and then take your Loctite and put just a drop here on the threads. Once you get it on there, you can use your hand and smooth it out evenly across the threads there and install it. You know, the reason that we apply the primer and the thread lock is because when machining, machines put oil onto the parts, and the Loctite won't cure unless you do the proper installation procedure.
Alright guys, thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos from Kraken HQ. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and to be notified of our future posts, hit the bell icon. See you later.